Hi, I hope you can hear me well. Good morning from my hometown. And I just got down from the running train where it is not supposed to stop. But it was going too slowly and I just jumped off. And it wasn't risky because it was quite a slow pace, but one of the guards there were asking me for money because I got a water bottle from them but didn't pay for it. I said, it's in my bunk, it's in my berth, it's unopened. And indeed it is there. Hopefully they will recover it. And perhaps I skipped over last day that I was sitting in a two-wheeled car in one side and another person was balancing but sitting on the other side, and he got up and I just fell down from the trolley. It just fell over to one side. I had slight scrape in my knee, but hopefully nothing serious, and I kept a straight face like nothing has happened. But I stood up and went to another location, after which I filmed the last day's video. And food in the train was quite good, I must say, but they are missing a few things in the orderliness. The first of all being the blankets and bed covers. They had hair on them, and the food which they gave us didn't have salt. And for breakfast, we again got a saltless fried eggs, something like that. And there were no salt added. Hopefully, but fortunately, I asked for one, and I got one of them to give me a sachet of that. So I think that concludes my trip. Yesterday, taxi came online, and also Emily came online, and I told Tata about we have a Tony at home about Gulati, the person I met in the interview. So it was quite a fun journey, although it is a bit stressful sometimes, given that I'm not used to getting out too much. But walking on foot, exploring the places was indeed a fresh change of pace in the daily life. So let's to the topic for today, and this topic can be Rajdhani Express. So it's a premier express train that moves from state capital to the national capital of New Delhi, and it is fully air conditioned. It has 3 classes, 3A, 2A, and 1A, and it mostly runs on time, and they give food inside, and the cleanliness is much above the normal that you expect in the Indian Railways. And as I said, it's very fast, and it is the fastest mode of transportation just after the aircraft. And if you have something like a pet or large luggage, then it might also be economical to choose. And Rajdhani Express has been running for at least 30 years, based on personal experience. I've been seeing it since childhood. And nowadays there have been some competition in the fair in terms of other trains, but the train still retains its majesty. And although I didn't see too many point people on the train, nevertheless I am sure that many would prefer it above the conventional trains, which stops at many stations and a lot of other people also get in. And one thing I forgot about Rajdhani Express is that they usually have more guards and more cleanliness in the coaches. And the ticket price is higher by about 150%. That is, it costs 1.5 times the normal fare. But I think it's worth it, unless you're a student or someone like that. So that is about Rajdhani Express. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you again. And bye-bye.